Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we drop 20 bite-sized, no-fluff tech reviews every single day. Today, we're diving into a premium PC case that's turning heads among custom builders, the NZXT H9 Elite dual-chamber ATX mid-tower gaming case in black. This is more than just a case. It's a showcase. Designed for builders who want high-end performance and serious aesthetics, the H9 Elite blends form, function, airflow, and cable management like few others at this price. First off, the design is stunning. You get 3 tempered glass panels front, side, and top for a panoramic view of your internals. This layout gives off serious aquarium vibes and is perfect for RGB heavy builds. And speaking of RGB, it includes 3 120mm F120 RGB Duo fans out of the box, plus an NZXT RGB controller to manage lighting effects right from CAM software. The dual chamber layout is a standout feature. It separates your PSU and cables from the main chamber, creating a cleaner build zone and dramatically improving airflow. The result, a tidy, showcase-worthy build with optimal thermal performance. This case supports 360mm radiators at the top, side, and bottom, a dream setup for custom water cooling or beefy AIOs. It's compatible with ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, and it includes built-in cable management channels, Velcro straps, and rubber grommets to make routing cables smooth and frustration-free. Airflow isn't just an afterthought either. Even with glass panels, the H9 Elite has ample ventilation along the side and rear, with optimized pathways to feed fresh air to your GPU and CPU. There's room for up to 10 fans total, tons of drive mounting options, and support for oversized GPUs up to 435mm in length. That means RTX 4090s and big air coolers are welcome here. Whether you're a seasoned builder looking for a clean showcase PC or a first-time enthusiast wanting premium aesthetics, the NZXT H9 Elite delivers elegance, performance, and smart engineering in one of the best cases of 2024. Check the link below for pricing and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Gadgetverse is your daily shortcut to the best in tech.